Good afternoon, everyone. And so we're going to discuss about the installation of Windows 2000. So in our Windows 2000, we're just gonna do some simple steps. So just use the default settings. In the default settings, so this is gonna boot. So we choose the letter A. So the letter A is we just divided the partitions. So in here we're gonna divide the partitions to the default settings, which is the 4 GB. Just port the 4 GB in a hard disk. So just wanna wait for this to load. So this is a very simple installation of Windows Server 2000. So it is so sobrang luma na po niya. So bale, it just requires some very little storage and very little RAM and CPUs. So for the you can just use this for um, any computers because it can run in different devices and different PCs. So as you can see that uh, tapos na po siya mag-loading. Inaantay na lang natin siya mag-boot and mag-install. So here setting the name, so which Allan Monforte. So after the setting the name, just gonna do this. So after that, just gonna install. Just gonna wait for the installation. So that's it. So that's how you install the server 2000. So thank you very much for your time and effort watching this tutorial for the Windows 2000, and I hope you learned something. So this is it. So wait for this to load, and that's it po. Thank you so much for watching.